different for once, but this is how I make Julius's homemade chicken cat palette. And you're gonna need 2 of these. These are like meal complementaries, but I don't use it because he doesn't really eat like hard food. So I'm gonna do 2 of these. This is chicken, and then this is chicken and salmon. And this is a little skin treat, extra flavoring. And then the rest of this was just a little bit of that. So, yeah. And water. So I'm just gonna be careful with this. And scooch on in the corner so you can see me a little bit more. So it already has broth in it, so yeah. Not much broth. It's not coming in properly, so just mix some water with it. Make it come out because it's not. And lastly, like I said, the little squeezy treat for skin and coat support. And that's it. Oh, I didn't even plug it in.